Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Mango Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your Mango Live application. Here you can create your account using Facebook, Google or phone number. Here I am using phone number. Enter your phone number. Tap on Next. Now a 4-digit verification code will be received on your phone number. Simply enter that code. Tap on Next. Now set a password that is strong enough for your account. Tap on Sign Up. Tap on camera icon in order to upload a photo for your profile. Tap on Album. Select a photo. Tap on Completed on the bottom right corner. Adjust your photo. Tap on the right icon on the top right corner. Select your gender. Provide your date of birth. Tap on Next. You can simply follow them or skip this process. And that is how you can easily create an account on Mango Live. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.